Well, if you are a fresh graduate or you have taken a long gap between your education, the BDS education and your dental practice, well, today's video is just for you. So watch it till the end. I would like to address all the fears, all the concerns that a fresh graduate has in mind while starting his own dental practice. So let's get started. Starting a dental practice is a very big decision, and there are a lot of fears and concerns that come into your mind. So let's address them one by one and look at the possible solutions for all these problems and fears. Number one is the funding, the fear of having not enough funds. Number two is that the fear of not being an expert in all the clinical procedures. Then number three, the fear of not having enough knowledge about the equipment that you need to start your dental setup. Then the next thing is, what if the patients don't come? The fear of not having enough patients in the start. Then another thing is, what if my practice fails? Another fear that stops you from starting your own dental practice is not being expert in dealing with the medical emergencies. So let's start one by one. Number one is the lack of funds or not having enough funds. 1 million should be there to start your own dental setup. And one situation can be you do not have all these funds available with you. Number two is you don't have any money to start your dental practice. So what could be the possible solutions? In the first case, when you do not have all the full funds, all the 1 million with you to start your practice, well, if you, let's suppose you have 50% of it, what you can do is you can contact different suppliers, take the quotation from 4 or 5 suppliers, and then you can talk to them that you cannot pay the full amount. You will only pay, let's suppose, 30% or 40% of this amount, and rest you will pay back in the installments, in monthly installments. Well, that's in this case you will not be needing the full 1 million to start your practice. In the second case, when you have no money with you, in that case, Punjab Health Foundation has given interest-free loans, and you can contact them. I will give the address in the description box below. You can look at their website and you can apply for those interest-free loans ranging from 7 lakh up to 25 to 30 lakhs, and then you can pay back in 7 to 8 years. So that's a good enough deal. The second thing is not being an expert in all the clinical procedures, the fear of not being an expert in all the clinical procedures. Well, keep this thing in mind that nobody is an expert once they graduate, right? The experience comes with the clinical scenarios, with all the procedures that you perform at your surgery. So when you deal with those clinical scenarios, when you deal with those clinical procedures by your own self, then you become an expert. Secondly, if there are some procedures that you are not confident about yourself, you can contact your seniors or anyone who is an expert in that specialty. You can call them at your surgery and they can perform that procedure for you. The next thing is that you do not have the knowledge about the equipment, the basic equipment that you would be needing to start your dental setup. Well, for that you can watch my previous video. I will give the link in the description box, and you can watch that video. It elaborates each and every equipment that you would be needing to start your dental practice. The next fear is you are not being an expert in dealing with the emergencies. Well, keep this thing in mind that nothing will happen. Well, you can just go to the internet, you can use the online sources to have the knowledge about dealing with different medical emergencies at the chairside. The next thing that is stopping you from starting your own dental practice is, what if the patients don't come? Well, in the start, don't expect a lot of patients coming to you. The main thing is stay persistent and consistent in your dental practice. Even if the patient is there or the patient is not coming to you, you should open your practice at the regular timings and you should be present there. That is very important. But if you are not giving time to your surgery, well, don't expect a lot of patients coming to you. The last thing that is stopping you from starting your own dental practice is the fear of failure of your dental practice. Well, keep this thing in mind. The reason why the practices fail is due to the mismanagement in the finances. So don't do any such investment that put an extra financial burden on you. So that was a short video about all the fears and all the concerns that are stopping you from starting your own dental practice. You are always one decision away from a totally different future. So be your own boss, take a decision today and start your own dental practice. If you like this video, do give your feedback in the comment section below and subscribe to Dentoscope Studio for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.